Good day, teachers. It's your EdTech teachers, and in tutorial episode, we are going to deal with QR code. Specifically, how to create QR code in Google Sheet for your learning materials and learning tasks. Let's get started. Here are the quick and easy steps to create QR code in Google Sheet. Step number 1, go to Sheets.new. Rename the file. Move to folder. It's optional. Label the first 2 columns for organization. A to QR code, B to content or data. Step number 2. Copy the URL address of content. Copy the URL address of the content. Paste in the Google Sheet under Content column. Step number 3. Go to the link below. Explore the syntax. Copy the root URL and parameter it is required. Once you are directed to this page, you can find the contents here. Focus on the syntax section. This contains the things you need to create the QR code. The first one is the root URL here. Copy and paste it later in the sheet. Followed by URL are the parameters. There are optional and required parameters. Make sure to include all the required parameters. These are CHS equals QR, CHS equals width times height, and CHL equals data, CHS equals QR pertains the QR code command that the function needs. CHS equals width times height is the image size or the size of the QR code, and the CHL equals data is pertaining to your content. The URL of your content below. These are optional. Step number 4. Go back to the Google Sheet. In the QR code column, type function. Remember not to include space. Press enter once you are done. Here on Google Sheet, in the column of QR code, write the function. Note that there is no specific function to create QR code in Google Sheet. We need the parameters and root URL. To successfully create code, remember to make spaces between characters and do not forget the parenthesis and quotation mark. We are going to use the function equals image together with the root URL and parameters. Follow this order. Press enter and there you have your QR code for your content. Here, we use it for a short story, which is The Three Little Pigs. Step number 5. Copy the QR code and paste in a file. You can adjust the row containing the QR code for a better view. Copy and paste it in a file. Your code is ready to be scanned by learners to access a learning material or the learning task. That's it for this tutorial episode. This has been your EdTech Teachers. This video is prepared by yours truly, Miss Arela Joy Kines and Miss Cheska Marie C. Capili. Thank you for watching.